Hello, I'm Johnny Cash. Hey, love is a burning thing. With 3 chords, one of the best songs of all time. Welcome to Uncommon Beginning Guitar. All right, where we show you tools and trick ways to learn. This is for beginners. I'm no expert. I'm not even intermediate, but I like to play and have fun and sing songs that are famous. We can make it real easy for you. So if you want that, if you enjoyed that, we put them out weekly, bi-weekly. Click subscribe. Love to have you on here. What I want to do today is show you how to do Ring of Fire by Johnny Cash. Again, when we do our capo, when we do our frets, we're going up to the 3rd fret. Remember, 1 and 2 and 3 fret. We're taking our pinky, sliding down the bottom line to the 3rd fret. We're taking our index finger with the pinky, sliding down those strings to the 3rd fret. As you can see here, they will not move. They will not move. Now, are these the regular chords? Not exactly, but they're very close. Okay, they're a type of a D chord, a C chord, a G chord. Okay, so to make that G, all right, we're going to put our bird finger on the top string of the 3rd fret. All right, index finger, 2nd string of the 2nd fret. That gives us our G. All right, good. That's a real G. Real G. O, G. All right, to make that a C, I'm going to drop these 2 fingers, my bird and my index, down 1 string. Okay, down 1 string here, down 1 string here. Now, when I did the G, I hit 6 strings. When I do the index, when I drop down to the C, I'm only doing 5. So it gives us this sound. All right, so I get G, drop them down, 5 strings, I hit C. Again, we're going to drop them down again, except we're going to take the bird finger off. Drop this one down 1, take the bird finger off. All right, hitting 4 strings. There's our D. All right, so we got G, C, D. So if I'm playing Ring of Fire by the Man in Black, Johnny Cash, I even named my little boy Cash. I love Johnny Cash. All right, so we'll start with the G, and we're going to do it slow. Okay, you can speed it up as you go. I can't even do it like super fast. So it's we're going to go G to intro the song. Just go down strum, okay? Down, 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 down. That's our G. Dun, 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 dun. Here's our C. Dun, dun. Like a G. Hear that sound? It's boom, 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 boom. Now we're going to go G, same way. So we're going to go G, D, G. Boom, 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 boom. So that was G, 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 D, D, G. Okay, we're going to repeat that throughout the song. So it'll start out with a G, and we'll do it slow. Love is a burning. When we hit burning, it's going to go C. Is a burning. Back to G. Bang. Then we're going to go C, G. Boom, 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 boom. So that's G, 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 C, C, G. All right, back to it. We're going to stay on that G, and it makes, and we're going to D. Fiery, back to G. G, D, G. All right, let's do it again. We're going to go through the first 2 lines with a G. All right, let's start from the intro. All right. G, 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 C, C, G. G, 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 D, D, G. All right, we go with that G. Love is a C thing. C, C, G. All right. And it makes a D ring. D, D, G. All right. And we're going back and do repeat the same chords. Bound by C, G, it's Wild Desire. All right, and we're going to end it with there. Just like the song in the C, C, G, G. All right, so bound by some wild desire. Okay. I fell into here's a D, ring of, back to G, fire. All right, so those last 2 lines are bound by wild desire. I fell into a ring of fire. Now we go to D on the chorus. I fell into a C, burning ring of G, fire. I went D, down, 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 and the C, flames went G, higher. All right, and then keep it on that, on the burn, 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 keep it on the G, and it burn, burn, burn. D, ring of fire, G, back to D, all right, the ring of fire, it should be D, G, the ring of fire, the ring of fire, then we just repeat it, and you go back to the way we started the song, it's G, 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 C, C, G, trying to just do only down strums and make it simple. All right, G, 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 C, C, G. All right, G, 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 D, D, G. All right, so we'll go through it slow one time with the G. Boom, 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 C, C, G. G, 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 D, D, G. All right, that's how the song goes. Okay. All right, G. Love is a burning thing. It makes a fiery ring. D, D, D. Bound, see, my wild desire. I fell into a D of G. D, I fell into a C, burning ring of fire. G, when D, down, 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 and the C flames went high, and it burn, burn, the D of G, the D of G. Back into it. If you want to go practice some up, down, I'm just up, down, making it easy. Down, down, G, 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 C, C, G. There you go. Close enough, right? Hey, you at least know how to play Ring of Fire. Those 3 chords. Remember, the beauty in this is these 2 fingers never move. They never go. They go stay on that 3rd fret. All right, right here. Bird, C, or G on top. C there. Got a G. Drop them down 1. 5 strings. C, drop it down 1. Bring the bird off. You got it, man. You can do all kind of songs with this. All right, that's what we've been doing. Now, I'm telling you something I'm going to be doing this upcoming. I'm working on something in my garage right now to make it back to where it was a music studio, and I'm gonna show you how to build your own music studio. So now that you're getting these chords down, I'm gonna tell you a cheap, not a cheap mic, but something under $100 to get, an easy mic stand, even something that's a pedal, that's a vocal harmonizer. So when you get to the chorus and you're singing by yourself and you want the background and the music to come in with you, you're able to press that pedal down and it will give you harmony with it. All right, and so we can show you how to set up your own thing. I'll give you the name of that. And get in there and start maybe start cutting some tracks. I kind of start doing our own singing, show you how to do that. And then, you can throw a camera on yourself and make it big. How's that? All right, I love you guys, man. I hope God's blessing you, especially during Christmas, during this season, man. Love your family. Love the ones that are close. Tell them you love them. I love you. If I know you, I love you. If I don't know you, I love you. God bless you. I'm Russ, and I'm Uncommon. This is Uncommon Beginner Guitar. Word.